Do you know that bar soap business is a very lucrative business that can put a lot of money in your pocket in the year 2026? For free of charge, if you're interested, let me teach you how to make these high quality market standard bar soaps that you can supply to any market around you and you won't have any complaint. People pay heavily for this skill, but right here and right now, I'm going to be teaching you this for totally free of charge. And you just need only 9 ingredients to make these high quality bar soaps that you can supply to neighborhood stores around you and your market. If you're ready, grab your pen and paper, let's go. In step 1, in 1.5 liter of water, add 250 grams of caustic soda, dissolve it immediately and set aside for 24 hours before you start the main production. Caustic soda is a very powerful corrosive cleaning agent, so you have to be careful while handling that. Remember to always add caustic to water and not water into caustic. On the second day, grab your PKO. PKO is short form of palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil is different from palm oil for those who have been asking. Palm kernel oil is gotten from kernel, while palm oil is gotten from the palm fruit itself. So I'm separating the palm kernel oil here because I intend to add color to one while I'll be leaving the other one plain. If you're a beginner, don't share the palm kernel oil. Just do everything the same color so that you don't make mistakes in the production. When you're done adding the color, you give it a good stir. Add the color into the palm kernel oil, dissolve it nicely before you set it aside. Then in step 3, you grab your 24 hours caustic solution, transfer it into a very neat bowl, big enough for your mixture. After that, you go ahead to step 4, where we'll be adding 250 grams of kaolin into the caustic solution. For beginners, caustic solution is called lye. So kaolin is milder than calcium carbonate. In case you want to use calcium carbonate, you can go ahead and use that. It is a filler and it adds weight to your soap. So right here in the video, I just sieved it to remove the undissolvable particles so that our soap will be smooth. So right here in step 4, you measure out 200 grams of sodium sulfate and add it into the mixture. Sodium sulfate helps your soap to dry faster. So once you add it, you give it a good stir. Please ensure to stir each ingredient for at least 5 minutes before you add the next one. So in step 6, I'll be adding soda ash. Here I use 150 grams of soda ash. Soda ash is a water softener. So once you add it, you give it a good stir before going to step 6, adding of silicate, sodium silicate. Here I added 250 ml of sodium silicate. I'll give that a good stir before I grab my palm kernel oil. You remember I divided it into 2 equal parts because I'll be adding color to one. So you share that mixture of lye solution with all the ingredients you just mixed in it. Divide it equally into the 2 bowls of PKO. This is what we just did here and we're giving it a good stir. After that, you go ahead and add your foam booster. In this production, we use cocoa betaine, 250 ml of foam booster. We divided it into the mixture equally and then we gave it a good stir. I added fragrance, 50 ml of fragrance. Sorry, I didn't capture that in the video, but I added 50 ml of fragrance. After adding it, you give the mixture a very good stir until it forms a paste. Once you get a paste-like mixture, you go ahead and transfer everything into your mold and leave it there for 24 hours. After 24 hours, check it out now. Look at this soap. This soap is very hard. Trust me. And it foams very well. Trust me. If I dey try for this app now, check out the soap. If I dey try, Mona dey Cup support me. Give me a like, comment on my video, share the video so that others can learn, and then give me a follow so that you don't miss out on other productions of my free production tutorials I've done here. I've done hair tutorials on shampoo, hair conditioner, air freshener, and lots more. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye.